Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how we can remove the background in real time with the help of opencv and cvzone on Raspbian Buster legacy version. Okay, but before we move to our practical, friends, if we learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, for that first you need to install opencv, TensorFlow Lite, cvzone, mediapipe on legacy Buster version. Okay, so I have created a video how to install all these basic modules on Raspbian Buster legacy version. I will mention the video link, watch video and install all these basic modules on legacy Buster. Then for today's session we need to create a Python code. Okay, so simply open the Tony Python editor and create the basic code. So this is what our first basic code for capturing the frame. Okay, capturing the live frame with the help of our USB web camera. Okay, so if I started the code, it will start our camera, and as you can see we have our live frame. So as you can see right now, this is what our background. So we need to change the background with any image. Okay, so first we are going to start with, we need to import the modules. So import cvzone. If you don't know how to install cvzone, as I told you, I have already created a video. Okay, I will mention the video link, watch video and install cvzone. So import cvzone, then from cvzone we are going to use the cvzone.selfie segmentation module. So from cvzone.s capital selfie, then again a segmentation s capital, segmentation module m capital. Okay, so this is what our module, cvzone.selfie segmentation module, import selfie segmentation. Okay, so for our purpose, for our checking purpose, we need to simply start the code. As you can see, there is no error, means we have successfully called our module. Okay, so seg is just a variable, and then we need to mention here our selfie segmentation module. So just copy, paste and like this way, that's it. So seg selfie segmentation. So we have now our module ready. Now we want to call our variable. So here we need to mention img out is just a variable. You can mention any variable. Img out is equal to seg dot remove bg, that's it. And inside that we need to pass first our frame, and before we change our background with the image, we are going to start with the color. Okay, means we are going to change our background with color. So here I am going to mention blue color. Okay, so range is 25500. Okay, so and also now we are going to show our, we need to show here our img out. Okay, because img out is our new image with the color. Okay, so we need to mention img out. If I save the code, if all is good, we can see our background is changed with the blue color. And as you can see, as I told you, now there is no background, there is our color which we mentioned, the blue color. Okay, so if we want to change the color, so let's say if we want to go with the green, so 02550 for the green, and then we have of course the green background. Okay, and as you can see we have now green background. So this is how we can change the background. Now we want to change the background with the color. So I have here some images inside my downloads folder, room 1, room 2, room 3, room 4. This is what the jpg format images. So we are going to change the images. Okay, so simply first we want to read the images. So img is just a variable. Img is equal to cv2.im read. This is how we read the image. We need to mention simple the path slash home slash pi slash downloads. Okay, slash home slash pi downloads, then room 1.jpg, room 1.jpg, and then what we want to do here, we want to resize the frame. So img is equal to cv2.resize, and inside that we need to mention img, and then we need to mention the width and the height, which is 640 and 480. Okay, so we have done with reading the image and resize the image. Now simply what we want to do, we want to remove the color and we want to simply mention our img, because our img is our resize image. That's it. If I save the code, if we run the code, and as you can see, we have now image as our background. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to change the, let's say 840 and here also 640, and we are going to resize our frame also. So frame is equal to cv2 dot resize, and inside that I need to mention frame, and we need to mention the width and height, which is we want to mention same. So 840 and 640. Okay, so now if we save the code, if I run the code, and as you can see, as I told you, there is a now new background. Okay, so room 2.jpg, save the code, run the code, as you can see now the new image. Okay, room 3, now as you can see, we have successfully changed the image and it's live, as you can see. So this is how basically with I can say with the one line of code, this is what the main thing, image outs, then segment. Segment is basically our variable is represent self segmentation module. So seg.removebg, we need to mention our frame and we need to mention the image which we want to change as our background. Okay, so let's try the last one. And as you can see, it's look really beautiful. Okay, so this is how you can change the background at real time with the help of opencv cvzone on Raspbian Buster legacy version. I hope you would learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.